Hello folks and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make PDF files on your mobile phone, how you can edit them and how you can save them as a PDF files. In the previous video I did show you already how you can edit PDF files on your PC completely free, you don't need anything extra. But in today's video we're gonna jump into mobile things. So we need to have Google Drive, right? So we're gonna open Google Drive, and if you didn't saw my video, I did edit this New Year PDF file. So this is like the text version of it. We're gonna open it through my phone. So we're gonna open that. Now you can see that the text, how it's looking. If we go here on the three dots and click print layout, you're gonna see it how it's gonna look like on the PDF itself. If we double click, whatever we double click, we can start typing, right? And for example, this is test done on my phone. And whatever you can type whatever you want. Again, the formatting is not that huge like it's on PC, but still we have some kind of formatting here, usual underline, bold, italic, whatever. So after you've done your editing on your file, you can save it. So let's say we save it, we go again on the three dots on the right corner, and we have these options right here that you can see, share and export, right? So we're gonna click on that, and after that we're gonna save as. So save as, and we have the option save to Word, save to TXT, RTF, HTML, zip, whatever. But the most important thing is at the moment we want to save our file as PDF. So as you can see here, PDF document, we're gonna click OK. And the file is gonna be saved as a PDF. So the changes that we made, you see new year.pdf. And now it's gonna open the file with the changes that we made from our phone. And it's PDF, you can send it to your friends or whatever you're doing. As you can see, new year, and this is done on my phone. So this is the method that is extremely easy, and you can do it through your phone. It works with any kind of text. As you can see, this text even have a picture. So if it's just a normal text, it's gonna be even better because you're gonna be easier to navigate, because here, as you can see on this little screen, it's not that easy to navigate. But yeah, this is how you make PDF files, how you can edit them, and how you can save them as a PDF. Of course, once the file is saved, you can send it to wherever you want, whatever you want. If you click here on this video, you will see how you can create PDF files on your PC. Again, completely free, and this would be any text. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.